Yeah, good afternoon to my lovely family, friends, and well wishers. May the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Amen. I remain your friend, your boy, your son, Ambassador Collins Osaige. Yeah, please, I want to beg all of you now before I start this record, or before I start this Monica full confession and reply to Lolo, the full gist dey table now. I wan beg una, abeg, I no wan see maybe una come dey write say wetin concern man for women affair, or una come dey say no bros abeg settle dem, settle dem abeg, this that no. This time now, not be say Monica dey sick, not be say Lolo dey sick. You understand? It's just they are quarreling. That is just the issue. So I beg, wanna not tell me all those things, because when Monica and Lolo team up, they insult about John Osage, they bring big personalities down. They not reason say all these persons where they bring down, they be men, they not be women. You understand? And I thank the God of my boss wife Winifred Osage. You understand? That woman not come and one day come talk, you not come and one day come reply any of them, but she put her knees down to pray. You understand? So our prayer and the prayer of every person out there when we say Monica and Lolo bring down now their prayer they work. So the full confession of Monica and reply to Lolo is here now. So I will start with the play and when I go the listing small. So nice. So please guys, kindly share this video and go and subscribe to a God Sent Family TV. A God Sent Family TV on YouTube. And may the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Don't forget, coronavirus is real. You understand? So stay safe and listen to this wonderful
Let it be free. Take it out of your hearts one time. So say, please, don't do it. Be the bigger part. So say, please, play the bigger part. Many people, oh my God, I never knew this, our friendship was all over the world. Oh, Jesus Christ. But one another fair person say, this thing, we want to get good though. When we say the thing don't spoil, and let me come say, now so attention be there, this friendship. This friendship be heavy, oh. You know, but all the same, to God be the glory tonight. And I'm going to talk, but again, I'm sorry, I'm not going to still say everything.
You understand? She says she's going to talk, but again, she's not going to say everything.
I'm still going to leave some, but I'm going to just talk about. Hello.
Ave kola no ge na, iya ge egun ave kola no ge na. Wa ge egun wa get we no ro e mad. O bere we yan agun ni mi no ri yan mad fo. But ma ge egun o kwe put the phone for here, put the phone for here. Avo on
I don't put on.
La people. Wa ge egun o kwe put the phone for here, put the phone for here. As me even dey so for this matter, if Ambassador John Osage, my brother, even come now tell me say, peace man, stop to the talk for this matter, I go tell am say, boss, abeg, first leave me first. Because when all these people they do, people talk to them, they're not green here. So that is just me. I want to follow up to the end of this issue.
You understand? And do not know what I stand for. I be Monica Lobo no love all the matter. My matter no confide the soup but for ground now like okra. What be the after all the matter they don't start time. It go finish. One no go remain. All the secrets where Monica do, I beg all is going to finish. One don't come out now. The rest will come out. Thank you, Mercy Love. God bless you. One no go come out. I back bele ya you talk. What you not think? Monica's thing, what you not think? Shebi mo bele ya, bele. Oh, Jesus Christ, people. Hi, Mom.
Ave la kola, why get one?
Oh, why you not be correct? You understand? Throw it all. No need to cover. Don't talk, please. Yes, Monica, will you do normal and talk to these people? Hello? Kaji. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. Where's AJ? Where's the Kakabo? Wait, somebody say me adjust my camera. Let me see.
I will like
Okay, better? Good. So, my people, as I was saying today, I don't vex for the one way I vex. I become rest. Number one, una see say they are pieces. Why they are happy? And they are happy because finally I don't know what I do, my friend. Until today before, I don't know what I do out. I don't know what I do out. What happen for us, it is different. Waiting me for the year they go for outside. Una they see some people that say, I beg no be, I beg for when, I beg for when. Ha, Jesus, so there at the year old you by myself. I still like, no, I don't understand this type of thing. Is she okay? She okay? Because I don't understand. I don't even see, for this social media, now we don't even, thank you, my love, thank you, God bless you, princess. Now this social media, we even talk, say, if you know, say, shit, better shit than your nyash. No go the wall small person shit too. Because your better shit, now you go regret and more. Shebi na so we where they do motivational speaker. Now so where we teach una. Say, you will know, say, if they bring your own come and I go cry. Why you go the solo person? You way you know, say your own. You plenty way, it's too much. You know? It, ever since, let me they see, even me, I go they want that. I wish you get where for peace for us. I forgot the fear, oh. I'll say, Abi, now this one, you can't get where one bring come and so. Me, myself, I look everywhere. As I dey talk and we open mouth. I don't get where I for shit for us. I don't get where I for peace for.
Monica, may I pause the video first? May I fair analyze that place? Monica, you still want to cover your mouth. Now me they talk and so. Because you know what make we see the truth of this matter. That is why you dey come and second the talk. Lolo, when you're on the talk now, or when you're on the quarrel, Lolo never come out now. I never see any video when Lolo do. Only video when I see Lolo they do, not to advertise her hair, not to dance and to give praise to God. But you now, you they come out, they talk. Because of say, may Lolo for not come out, come open your nyanch. That make you the fast forward. Area ya him and him out na him at me. The effect we come out, come the fast forward, they talk. In case if you can't come out later, people go see the don't fair here. You calm down. She never mention your name now. She never talk to you. You calm down. Not the fast forward, they talk. More than listening, guys.
Us. I don't get what he go yeah. He go come the beat he go come the beat Monica. In short, things where I get. If he even hear herself, he go praise me. He go love me. Nothing where I get. Which one can be this one? But I just say she did okay so. But I don't see where person go just sit down, just start to the vex, then the next thing, start to the judge wetin no happen, just to bring you down. And this thing, not they bring me down, oh, person like me, it not go bring me down. Passport go come bring me down. How? I borrow your own, I use your own to travel. Now your money I take the travel. I don't see the one way go cost shame, where person will come carry me stand, come beat me for what now? I don't see secrets where they there. I don't see bad thing.
Monica, you not fair tell us say you get passport. Now you can't dey talk say you not get passport. You not fair tell us say you get passport, you get this, you get that. Monica, you and the Lolo, no of una good. The two of una evil, no of una evil good. I know they do any of una, but they talk truth.
Where I do wait for see me. No say sometime now, two friends go there, you go see am with something where they know they see something for. It not there. So me, I was very, very relaxed because I don't have no shit. So why I can't be happy? Now today, I've been yesterday. Today, early in the morning, people come to do me fion 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 fion. Now because me I can't go one place, me I can't go look. As I reach there, see now this one I just be this one protect me. Ah, this one are jealousy now. Because ever since for social media, many people go always say, nah, jealousy, me myself, still not they believe. I will say, not be jealousy. Wait till I can't get away one jealousy where you don't get. Ambassador, he gets your own, I put price for you, I put price for my own. Everybody with your own price. If I decide something, you price for me, I give you price, you follow me the back. The other person they say, give you price, you follow me. But everybody with your own price. How you take know your own quality, now you will take put price. You understand? So when it come with the jealousy, husband, everybody get your husband now. Any way you use two rapper or one rapper or telephone your own can never pay my bill. My own can never pay your bill. Is it your side chick? No. So now I can't see what I see. Every talk, it can't be like say it's just pure jealousy. So it can't just be like say it confirm what everybody don't fair the talk. Because me, I find it so difficult to say that word for person. I find it difficult because if I see say you get your life, you know the sick, you get your own children, you get your own husband, you get your paper, you get your income. Everybody they fine with your own planning. I'll say, what person will become jealous person for? And so me tell the think they will say yes, even at that, even word of mouth, they make person they jealous yourself. I'll say, really to believe for me, I don't think it's, my life is going on for me. What's jealousy about that time? And I believe that's what she keeps saying. In our friendship, we always said there is no jealousy. Never knew I was just there.
Okay, we are listening. Continue.
I was just the fool. All these things, if I tell and say I don't see sign, I lie. I see signs. Some even pronounce as jealousy, but I just told myself, she's too much to be jealous. We are too close to be jealous of each other in this type of way. What type of things? No. It's not jealousy. It's just bad character. No. Oh, no. It's not jealousy. It's just bad character. Oh, no. That's what I say. Until when I really see all the talk yesterday, it's pure jealousy. Now you better pass, but now Monica people follow pass, but not be me too. Now the people you go ask, why did they follow Monica? I don't know. Me myself, I don't know. I don't even feel the by again. All those type of yeah. So passports. It's who passports? Person not go if you dey place in this. It's not true, my people. If you dey Nigeria right now, you get Netherlands permit stay card. They will bring you back. Type it is in the news. The moment you have Netherlands stay all over the world, it's not only passport. Netherlands don't respect only their passport, they respect their stay. That's why their stay, they don't give it to you like that. If you don't get their stay, then they say, now passport that they give to you like this. Aside, thank God, she never mentioned that my husband is a prisoner, that I'm a prisoner, that I commit crime, that's why I can never get it, that's why this. Despite that, she lied. I don't know why, Lolo, you will lie on me, Monica. For me to judge your matter and lie, I'd rather die or that word remain silent forever. My people, the reason why I never judge ever since as my girlfriend do me, he do me the one word and the head, now back. You know when person don't fuck up, person will get pride, when no they feel say sorry. Person will know the fit see error. Person will like to cover up everything about life. She rather go to admission and carry drip for her to admit, say, I'm dying. She can't. I wish I know. It's a lifestyle. Okay, it's not my problem. I don't want everybody to be like me. I'm too simple. I'm too open. I'm too japa. I'm too like. But I like it. For me, I like it. That's how my heart is. Some people don't like it, and I will accept you like that. I don't have problem. When I know you don't like to say your thing, I won't even ask you. It's not like I don't care. It's because I know that some people don't want it. They don't like it, and I leave it like that for them. Me, I talk my own. Whoa, whoa. Only my tina at the broadcast. Or Paika, if na me really tell you, say, Lolo no get husband, it go better for you from this your age so till when white hair go reach your hair, till when you go really sit down, when you start to enjoy the fruit of your labor, it go better for you. If na me, Monica, tell you, say, na my mouth for 4, say, Lolo no get husband, it go better for you. But if no be me, if no be my mouth, if nothing like that even happen, now you, as affected by yourself, say they carry rumor, now you take Caribbean, it will never be well with you. Yes, I know you will go to say you reject it, but now God now put on for you. I don't get power of my own. If na me really tell you, if na my
Wetin concern Okpaika concern you and Lolo matter now? I don't know.
mouth, it take fall out. I no go enjoy the fruit of my labor. But if not be my mouth, if not be me tell you, every head where they wash us today, you will not enjoy the fruit of your labor. How is it going to be? I don't know, but I will give it to God. Because my girlfriend is the fruit of my labor. I'm supposed to enjoy her. I know where I met her, but I'm not going to go details. I want her to continue to bring all my secret. I don't have time for her secret. Her secret is too dirty. I, Monica, I'm a leader. How can I know that someone have dirty secret more than me, and the person want to rob me, and I will not really come out, and I will be showing bad example by bringing a dirty secret more than joy. Shebo na go say this Monica is too bad because he know say not be you bad like this. Not true. Even me, I will talk am. Because of that, I will not say nothing. I will not say nothing. I will say, God.
Monica, you lied there. You lie. Because as you be, Monica, nobody secret when you know if you bring come out. Now because maybe that stupid Lolo must have not get secret. When you want to bring come out, now make you they talk this thing. If Lolo get dirty secret as you they talk, so you go bring all of them come out. So stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself, Monica. Stop deceiving yourself.
Come between me and Lolo and judge us without no favor. He's a God that never take bribe. He's the God that will judge me. Because when me was playing, now God they see my back. When she did front, now God they see her back. Now God know who do each other wrong, who plan evil against each other, who want each other fall, who want each other downfall. This social media we don't do ever since. My girlfriend have been bearing ambassador with cash. Have I ever said a word? Have I ever said a word? Not even one person will ever talk say this thing he hear am from nowhere. Ambassador. I, Monica, was even the one that said, how can you carry ambassador without cash? Endorsement is cool cash, my dear. But that day, the social media, they tell and say, hey, you go even tell your friend, say, something will happen to you. You go always they criticize because I know we are on social media, we pray for today. Me and she, we go they go party, we go hold each other hand. We go pray. If I lie, no, you are alive. Me, I like to talk about people that are alive so that they can challenge me. I will take my girlfriend hand, we will pray. Say, this social media we are building, we're going to enjoy it. She will say amen. We will pray, we will declare, we will claim it.
Now enjoyment na the endurance so. When you be say if you not go let una go party, if you not let una dey go Nigeria, if una go Nigeria now una go dey hide. If una go party now na problem. If you let una dey even dey go anywhere again, na enjoyment na dey enjoy so. Useless set of people.
Good things started happening. The first she betrayed me. The one where I felt, story where I tell. for Mami Chula. When Mami Chula said, come and say the way. I said, no, it wasn't your work, darling. Don't claim what you are not, because you can't. It wasn't your work, it was my work. I will say it. That kid don't come. I will say it again. Yeah. Where I will come lie with you and the producer, I will come lie. It take me time. I will even the give person advice. We go the quarrel, but that will continue. I was sick, guys. Me, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about myself. I got sick. Why? Because of my girlfriend. That's why this time I said, no, I will not allow that again. My husband will not even allow that. I'm too young to be sick. Husband where I married, right from boyfriend, right from when I entered this abroad, now I get that boyfriend where become my husband. My ballet to my ballet ko my back. From meeting to Iramba, Ijamba, Ijemonika, Ijambosia, 2 of us. He never for one day give me sleepless nights. Never. I don't need to lie, my people. I don't need to bluff. Why? That man never one day give me girlfriend. He make me Jesus. 5 o'clock again, don't wake me up. I couldn't take it. I was sick. Because my heart can't take something so shocking, so disturbing. I was sick. I told my girlfriend, I am sick. Please, I don't want hypertension, BP, where I take a shot for social media. Doctor say, don't remain small like this. Make my enemy don't carry hypertension. Social media no dey stress me. Husband no dey stress me. Children no dey. Una dey see me with live video. Monica dey here now. The 2 dey up. My children no dey stress me. My husband, if he even dey here now, if he just dey go do, make I for laugh. I go still let it go still come back. He no go stress me. If I do una video finish, they go use they laugh me for. Single mother. Fed where they kafashan from that side go stress me. It go stress me, my heart. Say I don't want to die. I beg. Everywhere where they ride bicycle follow for this that one, they can't know me. Go they sharp me. My girlfriend go they talk as small. Me una know me. And that thing where they talk so now, fluency. Go they talk as small. Me now go they sharp. I go they sharp. My heart go they pump. I come sick. When I go treat myself, I can't come back to the normal ground because of a friend.
Who they
make your heart beat? How is your marriage? I say my marriage is very. I don't know what to do to please this girl. I will do everything. She can never be pleased. Ah, God. I will still ask her, what do you want? What do you really want me to do? Because I don't know what to do anymore. But this time when I come back from sickness, I can never play with it again. If you don't go straight to the point, head they pay me na teeth they pay me na belly they pay me na leg. I am sick and I am tired of it. It's doing my head like this. I don't like it. If you can't go straight to the point, I'm not going to be bothered about it anymore. Because I know how many tablets I swallow within 8 months to bring me back. If not be abroad, doctor, my enemy for just die. Nobody go know what he kill me. Nothing, not husband, not Netherlands. I'm the most happiest woman in Netherlands.
And after all those things, do not change. Do not change. Me start to do good. You continue with your bad character, bad behavior. They bring people down.
They stress me because they know what I pass through. They don't care anything for you, Monica. Nothing where I not take my girlfriend. Because of that one, go just dey worry me, go 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 dey worry me. I don't know why. I don't know why. The hair wey come dey sell so, come do like say Monica no say me I say, my people, I gave her the chance to sell hair when I see that this thing is coming again. I said, please, I want to off phone, not that I off phone on you. Please, you know my head. I don't want it to come back. I did not do anything, my people. I know they sick. I know get disease. Just rest. Over annoyance. Many of you, they like video that time. I said, Monica, before I talk, it was my girlfriend. On the back. On the give me tablet.
You're not sick because of your husband. You're not sick because of your children. You're not sick because of your family. You can't say now because of Lolo. Now you can't be sick. Not be say Lolo na your family. Oh. Not be say Lolo na your sister. That means there is something between you and Lolo. When you don't want me Lolo talk, we make you the fast forward. So there is something. And with me, we must know. We put our ear down. We must know one day. We must know one day.
Yeah, I know they happy again. Will make me happy. Will make me happy. I say I want our phone. I know our phone on you. I don't just have strength to argue again. Wait till we they argue. None of they ask. We go come little. Small things wey no make sense. Small things wey no make sense. But they no go rest you. You say, I must say, you must hear it. So, like I said, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about myself. For you guys to know, I did nothing wrong. Quarrel when we quarrel. Now normal quarrel. Who know the quarrel with friend? We no quarrel anything way back. We no curse each other, papa. We no curse each other, mama. We no even curse each other. We just only talk to each other. We just talk to each other. Finish. When he want kill my enemy. Only me want do.
You want kill your enemy. As you're waiting.
He want kill me. The thing want start to they do me again. Now I make audio to her. Please, my girlfriend, I'm using my last strength to talk to you. It's enough. I can't continue like this. Please, not let me one day hotel. I will stop. I want to block your number. If I say don't do, he go do. If I say don't do, he go call. If I say don't do, he go. Jesus, what is this? What do you want me to do? You rest. Let me return. Please, leave me alone for now. Please, now me know how my body they do me. Please. After much begging, if you do come from me and say I don't listen to what you talk, I only make to you. Please, let it rest. This thing, so maybe as I talk of this one, she might now play it or whatever and see what happens there. I keep begging for my own life. My own life, let me dey beg for, please. Please, only me one day will tell. Lao, Nisa get to Lao. Amen. Lao, can we talk this thing again? Please. I don't want to talk. If I want to talk, I will.
Me no know say Monica no get mind though. I just dey look am for live video say this woman, if you know yake bologbe, this woman get mind to this that. I know say you no get any mind. You be niente, nothing at all. You dey fear woman like you. God have mercy.
Go chatting. Please. So, finish. I come back to Holland. We talk again. The same thing started. I said, okay, I'm tired. I can't do it. And you too, you are tired now. Let's just forget about this thing. But I've told you my mind. It's okay. Finish. I never said a word to anybody. I stay. I continue my video. They do my video with people matter when they bring come. Because they cannot stop me. Now people matter they talk. Yes, now they talk. I don't deny that. If you bring a come, we carry the sense when they say mess.
When your own day your body, when your own day your body, always you the top people matter. You not talk as you and Lolo they sleep with each other. When Lolo yala la woe, when we buy lesbian o mateni, na people matter you they talk. Ne da people matter gbelu wa we Lolo wagbon.
Now they take preach. Not yes. No quarrel of say if the quarrel come at my bad thing. No. Why is she doing this? I don't know. So that was how I just hide her part. If she want to say the full story, she can say it herself. I just hide her part, leave her up and talk my own. And so I will continue to do for this matter. I'll continue to be standing for myself, talk my own. If she want to talk her own, she have a man to talk her own. If she want to continue to be playing victim like this, let her continue. God will justify for me. God knows I did nothing.
Deal.
So that was how before I know, I demanded for apology inside, just like normal. I'm sorry, my friend. She took the apology outside. I'm sorry to Monica Dobbs if you ever. I said no. This is not what I asked you to do. Me, Monica. Me, Monica. Tell me sorry and that's end it. Not outside. The next thing they see now, video people come they send to me. I don't they say hell. Mona come home. I don't they say hell. I look my phone. May I ask, even if you want to say, is this the reason why you want run? She already blocked everywhere. I just move on. It's okay. Never say what. Just move on. The people I judged to when it was odd, there are people, not just anybody that come, I judge to you. There are people who we both of us hold in high esteem. Some go come, it's judge to them. Some go come, and make a judge. Some go come like that. But the story, when they always come from the two sides, it's always different. The story is always different. I'll say, God, which kind of story be this one? I don't understand where this story they come from. But all the same, I carry on for body. And when some people go come, they'll say, I'm jealous. I'll say, no, I don't believe. Because for me, her life was going on for her. I will still say it again. But greed might be inside, but her life was going on for her. That you don't have to jealous because your life was going on for her. What now happened, how the jealousy came, I don't know. But for me, her life was going on for her. Some people say na money. I repeat, no money. We didn't quarrel about money. We have never quarreled over money. Until when I see video about talking about this, I said, all this matter. Now this one they chop my girlfriend for body. Now me get part from Monica, they behave like big man wife. Una know me for social media. I work hard for my life, oh. I work hard for my life. I work hard for my shine. For real. Yes, so I shine my shine. I work hard for it. How that one take be my girlfriend problem? I don't know. I take be a headache. I don't know. Now my own I talk. So maybe maybe many secret day. me I no go know. But me, for my own self, I dey alive. As far as they not kill me, if I hear the secret, I go know whether na me do am or not be me do am. So as I come there this afternoon, after I don't vex, I don't stay to wait, I don't rest. So na so way person come call me. No, wait. Somebody come call me. The person come introduce herself. I come say, really? Okay? I come say, really? Now you be this? He say, yes. He say, he want to tell me something. He don't wait for these days to come. He don't count years for these days to come. I say, really? I say, wait till I point. He said, she want to tell me the story. The person say, I don't dey watch you and your girlfriend for social media for years now. I go look up, God, won't you answer me? God, won't you answer me? He say, until today, where he can see something for social media. He can see something for social media. Apropos, you are the one that is causing all this problem. So, you were the one that gave that woman.
Louis, Luke Joy Osas, let me tell you something. You say you see they do woman. When Monica Lolo they insult my box about John Osage. John Osage na woman. When they bring Skimmy Yak down, Skimmy Yak na woman. When they bring Destiny Bagua down, Destiny Bagua na woman. When they insult Augustine family and Augustine supporter, when they support that foundation, most of them are na women. When they bring our Benin Kingdom down, everybody when they Benin, all of them na woman. Men not there. When they rubbish all this men image, they rubbish all this men name. They say someone go pack, they leak this one, and I saw Little be central. I saw all the musicians, they bring all of them down. All those musicians, they be woman. So don't write this comment again. If you write this comment again, I will block you out of my platform. You understand? I don't need anybody to write rubbish comment. If you write rubbish comment, I see it, I will block you.
Terrible depression. You go carry your husband. You go carry him. You go carry him. Apropos, now you. Then we go ask, what you do? May I not the no next person. But all the same, they say anything where you do, nine you go get back. If you do good, you go get good. If you do bad, you go get bad. You understand? My girlfriend is the biggest bully on social media, and she will not allow one person to bully her, but she bully. I will say, don't do it again. Stop. But before you know, all the bullies start to return back to her. They bully me, but my own they use and take rub like soap. So you know even they affect me, because God knows that the people when they bully me now, that they bully me, I don't know them, I know they do to them. So you do to me, God will save me. But if what you do, they come back to you. You don't know say I they be. If they get as they be. The biggest bully is Lolo. Monica, I said it. Lolo bully people. If I say make I mention man, but I will not do it. Because why? I am the leader. And I will keep on playing the leader. I will not come and sit here and tell you guys she's innocent. No. If today you are getting it so hot that you have to come out and say, sorry guys, now lie, what confess you have for you will see people go do terrible things, people go they swear, how they wonder.
As Lolo go confess, and I saw you now to go confess all of them before peace go enter on the house. Una go confess everything, una go beg the people when una offend. All those people go see they forgive una before una go get peace. Not believe Lolo. As Lolo go they beg, that's so you go they beg. As you they confess, so that's Lolo go they confess. Una go confess everything finish. Una go confess everything finish before una go get peace.
I'll say something when me really do it. Person they swear put. Even if I've been child of God, I know they do take camo quick, and they say, oh God, help me, oh, forgive me, oh. I said, social media, when we tell the place, so whatever you sow, you will reap. But she will not listen to me. She not listen to me. If she listen to me, all this type of thing not going to happen. People go hear my advice for outside, they use and become great men and women. Person wey dey with me for inside house, he no go hear my own. The biggest bully is Lolo. The biggest bully of all time is Lolo. This is the way I want to play so. Una go hear, and this is a story of 13 years ago. And the story looks so much like mine that I don't even have to say mine. And this same person 13 years ago also do one like this. Go. It will not be well with you. And really, it is not well with my girlfriend. It is not well with her. Everything is a change. Monica, I said it. And we don't got details. That boy, and the boy already. It's a pity. The most longest part of this audio, I mistakenly touched cancel instead of save. It went tough. But to God be the glory, we still have 28 minutes of the audio. 60 minutes was gone. The person said, I can call her. I don't know if I might do that. It's not well with her. Today, all of you, when they do bad, una go say, wait for it. One day, monkey go market. He no go come back. Monkey go market, he no go come back. She will bully your children. She will say, I said, Jesus. But if you bully our children, she will go to hospital. I'll say, but why? Somebody like me. If you do to me what they do to you. Darling, why be say people when they touch people, they'll say not touch their own. Sometimes we go call. I'll say, you not God, you not God. You be safe. If you touch my child, I will do you this. No, but you can't go back of my castle. This one I person now, me and Shiro, I don't call Napu for this one. I don't call Napu for this one. My boy ain't here. Oh, worry, I beg up my car now. Where my room, wait, baby. Me matter where. The island now you wait, baby. Yao. Be the better the sort of Yamufua. Get friends in Yamufua. So I'll call in our last check up. Okay, Keriwa. Okay, Kare. Okay, Kara. You go social media now. Uno teach I tell some I do but you go shop out. You go shop on, especially the evil one. Wait, the evil one. Maybe some people now, when Monica don't talk about it, they say, Monica, you come, my sister, if I call your ass, come carry your matter. Anything when you pray for me, make it follow me. But if I tell my house, now my matter come meet me. I see anywhere I be. Use you to message for people, make me open eye. When you pray for me, the bad one will follow you again. You still for top of the one when you don't pray for you fall again. And now what other guy in social media? Even me myself, if I need down, I'll say God, because me man not to be me. At the time, you were me. It be like when me name Monica, me marry can poke with me. They are not that book. The man Yahweh, but Budian, Raka get with me. Yam Janraka, I pin away, you lucky, you away to your way and mash away. So, you no longer say, let this it. Why you don't get lap? Use your lap, take you need your gear if you don't go there. The biggest bully of it all, unimaginable thing. Yes, my people, I am saying it. Monica, your friend, you not join. No, never. I not join. That's why God fight for me. I not join. And God know, I always stop it. But you not go here. When I don't stop, you go stop my life. You go carry me join them. You go group all of us together. Go give me name. Will not be my own. I go school past my friend, yes. I say it openly. I go school past my friend. School where I go, my friend not go. Now me they spell something for my girlfriend. Spelling, you know they correct. Where in Netherlands is not the school, but oh yeah, but mommy can only bear your mass so ye. And to one man where your bob every the one ye we are move. Yeah, no was at Ilotona Momena. We are move. I hear where I am at Tari in the king. Or ye logo, I'm away I'm with here. Eh? Or ye logo, by ye matter here, I'm away I'm with here. So, all this thing I'm saying my own part. My own part now they talk so. I not talk apart. If you feel say Monica talk apart, no. I only ask her all this thing. If not like me, come and talk and say yes, Monica. When I they do bad, you know they stop me. Most times, when they sick for, not those bad. Then they make me they sick. Then they make I could try to convince. Hello, Lolo, you dare open your mouth and say, when the Lord great pleases you, it make your enemy to be at peace with you. I believe it's all that they talk. Now, so I really they talk, my darling. Is it now you want to be using everything I'll be teaching you? You make me sick. Instead of you to listen, you will not listen. You will use argument. Take it, you go see truth, you go say now lie. I don't know why you do that in that. No. Until I tell myself, we can do. If I can do, we never no walk away. Where Monica? When already you are wearing. Every activity on every hour you walk. Where? You just stop it. Me at the bus stop. I want you to get up. Panuki. Why you know go me? Why you my Yakube? Thank you so much. You're giving me money. I said, Ma. From there, I can't leave our men they do anything we like. Anything we like. If you say you want to keep us, I'll just say, go ahead. But me, I not do it again. You understand? But if person do you something no good, I can come out and address the thing. When I see your flakes, I don't just the push chest, I'll come and address the thing. My girlfriend will put her on that table. Even as soon as I say, Monica, you not talk about, I say, I beg now, because I know if you come with my friend, come, I'll put you on that table. And that one can't they do. If I still do that one, where today now. Monica, if you really get God where you deserve, or Juju where you deserve, go give them better cola. She won't shop your shit. Hey! Monica. When you say go shop your shit, now you can't go shop or buy a shit. Sabarella, oh Jesus. A wickedness. Monica see. Mona see me. And they draw here. For anybody where really say, I love Monica. Una want more shine. Maybe tomorrow you call the class, say, oh Juju, they worry you. If you they follow me, oh Juju cannot worry you. Come out her for bad thing. Forgiveness is the way forward. I preach it every day. If I will continue to be good. If they do me now,
please don't call me a messenger.
We can insult each other. We can tease each other. But it don't finish. Me, I don't go carry the go prayer. If I want do person say, now so not be so choppy that I go still talk. And that's why they talk it. I don't go now. Boy. If I still say with the speak to your mother, follow all Joshua. I dey talk am for social media. I go talk am. I no go do am for back. Because now wetin you do me, I go talk say, I go judge you to God. Now wetin person get, now they use. I no go do all that. Then when you bully the biggest bully we cry. Me, I'll come the one that. So no we go bali yere. Awa we ye 3 days emi but we are one with nine. With Jesus. Okay. So Mona see the reason why the thing be like this. You understand me, so? Then somebody come. understand me so. Person wey grow for us wey dey speak English. Let's see, if you go ask them where they speak English, you must speak. You know me say you know something. Who even know something intelligent go follow who go school. But that one don't pass. Hello?
You say you go school pass Lolo. Lolo speak more than you. You wey go school pass, you know sabi speak English. Nothing na you dey speak. The two of una na the same. I not join any of una. The two of una na evil. Two of you.
Una no want me I play the audio. See person where they call. Leave me alone. Hello? Hello? Good evening. Are you watching? You see the way I'm doing because I don't want anybody to hold my mouth. I just want to play audio. Hello? Oh, I'm on YouTube. Yes.
The two of you are the same. The two of you are the same. The two of you are evil.
Oh, just a little bit.
That is just the truth. You, your own Monica, you be person wey be say, woman where that day, Lolo una to the fire for under. She go dey give you information. Say bully this person. You come and put chest for front. Egbe weja. Because if you no man go enya who vai.
I have it, Mom. Yes, I have it.
You no man go enya who vai. So that is just it. E Lolo noro oni mu ladian oni swawe yo oni ayi swawe yo we ladian who so amu ma gbo to so amu to do gbo to.
Just now, that person come me say, 13 years ago, the story when the person mama, it just be like my own. I don't even need to judge my own. My own, I don't give up to God. I don't do anything. If I do something, my friend, Lolo, come outside, tell them. If you not be tell them, play audio come for me. Say, Monica, why are you always saying you not do anything? You forget this thing when you do. Now this one I dey vex for you for. Play it. Say it to people. My girlfriend go just sit there, go just call you, go say, Monica, you know. Another one where you do, wait pay me because I want to play this person audio. I not go talk put again. Another one where you do, wait pay me. A rabble of 4 people. Hey, Jesus. My husband of 4 people. The most harmless person in this whole world. If you even do something safe, you go even still do you. That man, he take everything like nothing way they do, nothing way in the verse. But even me, I got the verse when you know verse for something. Me go the verse. So now everything will just come on. Everything will come on. My girlfriend can still get wetin my husband do. He say he call my husband 3 times. You know, my husband call you back 2 times. You no pick. I no be say since when you know you don't borrow us 1 kobo. No be say since when you know you don't see us for any bad place or any rubbish thing. We go make you disrespect person husband. You just feel big. You just disrespect somebody husband. We don't need you because of social media. Hey! Social media, I dey enter every 2 minutes.
What of people husband when you they bring down Monica? Monica get every hamu where ohegwe orionba orion zola betu gu we ve lola ve lolue abi lolekia gu eguwa. What of people husband when they bring down for social media? Ambassador John Osage not be person husband. Skimmy Yak not be person husband. Destiny Bagwa wanna bring a naked picture come and not be person husband. Patanju not be person husband. All those great Benin personalities not be person husband they be. All those great superstars, all those magicians not be person husbands they be. What of all those people wanna they bring down? What of those people wanna they tarnish their image? All those will not be husband. Now you say they disrespect your husband. Who is your husband? Who is Ambrose by the way? Ole Morocco Oligbo. Ogisino Munwe. Waivaga Igbo Yoga Igbore. They disrespect your husband. Like Caliguas.
And they hate everyone 1 hour because you need problem with the Google. You need problem with Google. Why we ever make? My children come back from school. I know they follow. They go back again. Me and my husband know they get no get for weeks, for months. As I do video, so the video call just now. But why you not pick my cousin? Only later, I do live video. It don't finish. More this you and your live video not best now. We not get na hand. Everybody with your own law for yours. My husband not get anything. Wait, do my girlfriend for my girlfriend to be disrespected. You know, only disrespect him. You also lied on him, and you know why. Why will you lie on him? Me, I have your husband record. Because you went for my here, oh mama, there. And they see some of people where they are say, Monica, when your girlfriend deal with you feeling, you know the secret. Me, around when person say too strong, too strong. The moment when they carry out, no say your own something more, go on to make your more here, my what will wait the me, okay, way. Hello, good morning. Monica. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome. Hello, auntie. We dey hear you.
In Tavonia, Abohoge. People when they give Monica information, people when they bring their matter, come they give Monica. People when they call Monica, they say, "When you speak, waya fe, hotel do or hanowa." If una be Igbo, una be Yoruba, una be Hausa, or anybody wanna be, hotel do you hanowa. Waya agbelukoshi, waya dey a train track. Waya dey a train track. Abohoge no mama, why go wabagbon? Remove her for speaker. Oh. Wahakbe oh. Why me remove for speaker? Remove for speaker.
No. Nene people happy. Ya wagi happy boy you make very salobo. Etu we neru no saba sa all na sa we This person we want talk so. She said, I felt so relieved. When I saw what happened today, I said, God, may your name be praised. I said, really? Hello?
Iye Monica confess here. Iye eka. Oviere eka. Wamage eka rude put on for here. Abon hoge no mama. Kwa givere eka. Mona let Monica confess. I beg. Okwe no talk. Okwe come out of speaker. No talk. Come out of speaker. Oviere no la jawu yan aka. Wage eka. You shall buy me na chowu na uwa magbe o wa yi na. Venu wa kolo na ni mi no ham wa le mu pa wa ya ham lolo. Ne lo kare kam wa do ham Monica. No wa I don't understand.
If you anybody wey know say he waited for this day, be happy. You never even hear more. You for wait, more na bed down. Or more na push and where more go come on and go say, yes, so. Oh, yeah, my goodness, but yo.
Only Monica talk now. You shall buy me. Okwe mo speaker. Abon hoge. Ebana na wa hem ani togi. Person wey go call you okwe mo speaker. Ebana wa hem no togi mani wa togi. Ebana na wa hem ya. Mo speaker. Wa gbeliko shi wa gbon. Wa gbeliko shi. Yeah. Iya ge gun.
We are fine.
Ovi okan no nu e. obi oka no no wa tie ije wa tie momi ubere weto bu no be call na bweberi ihe ne be no we se na
Onwa no gbe owiye ni 13 years ago. You know where nowhere here eri osalo bua you na pray yo onwani o pe odiore. Onwani gbe ni pe tinye yin gaju li ya ka. Ade gbe na wa do gbe mewe angelegele. Onwani gele we mi no kind na tie bo na ri ya wina. O wa ready edge me bi ya na fo. Iye wa to bi ya mwe ya. Because me do be me o pa mo tin. Wa mi wo ma wa ma ni ro pa osun ale ri ya u fe ko si gbe e mi na ko si gbe mi na we video me na wo ni me ko ge baba o ri so no na
emi okpa no da me wo ni a ave kola na ihe ha ta winya ma gbe a abibi ha yita na veke egene Monica be na aduza ni aze ni ya na mu ivie do gboto ni ya na mu abi pe agi ma gboto ni ya na mu abi ko ri ma gboto wa call ya live video camera we Monica mi na no na egi we la stop a video na oni severian stop a video na me ma ho veri oni there wa ha ma mommy Monica radon ogbodu we mi Monica lobo shine your shine Monica yen wa bi ai owe e no ma gi yen va yen yo Monica e na wo ni a. How is the result? Ohegu eri la e party ni a. Ana invite a party be UK. Ohegu eri jo. I invite a party be America. Ohegu eri jo. I invite a party be Netherlands we be jeni ni a. Ohegu eri jo. Wa ye Nigeria o gbe 2 days. O ve le ade. Wa yiku o redian. U bege ni a. Ona nata we okpomo yezo eso ma yiko inya ya nini ya no gata we radon mommy awe dede na ti we no bi o ha mommy una we na mi we ipon pa lo ke wu won kin eni ni yan de ticket yan ri Nigeria iyan ya gbe we for 1 month 2 months iyan kian freely iyan kian ya we emi ni yan we Nigeria iyan de gbe ade but we na ni a eje bi rio u bege ona win social media. Social media o ma lo ewon ayo omi ohun ahun. Social media o ma lo ewon ayo emi no we gbere ni na o sunu at last. They may be we na kekene ne lolo no lolo me no lolo kian. They wa ni wen o wa ajoge social media president o wa ya wan. Eri ya social media president ya na swai overe na ya ona ya fiunu ge keno ma ke no fiunu ge na mi ewu ya na ya yulame. Wa ma me wen osu wa egbe ni a eyi so bi aze o da egbe o ma ye rogere ni egbele osu wa egbe ni a u mo na ro mo egboto u be gere wo wana na no amugboto na is a great person o ma na no amugboto na o mo ha na u yere umameti mwe Buhari gboto umamu Obaseki umamu gboto umamu ya ni gboto na mie mebiwe iya dolo tedo yi imani me wuyo boni viere kere imani me wuyo boni imani me vai imani mo pon una amu ya gboto ave magician ri ma ya mu ya gboto ave actress anatori ma ya fefe umu ya gboto uwe Monica lobo uwe mi no magu we nya uva uwe no na give on what of today iyawe ota ayin na yakon ota ayin khole ani no wa bi dan yen won ya ehwe mu wa ni lolo oni alajan ori amerike ori le lao we alajan we amerike le lao wa se pe wa ti last ka check up ehwe mu wa ni no do no ri wa yo wa make ri wa mi ni no de eyan no ri wa yo wa o wa ri eni yo wa o me ma ri no ri egbe yo wa wu wa ya ime no ri egbe yo wa wu wa ya. You people are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to motherhood. You people are disgrace. The both of you. I don't join any of you. The both of you are a disgrace. A big disgrace. Mota, a big disgrace. A big disgrace. You people have to be ashamed of yourselves. So my people, area pe a recording na say because recording a video na be na about 3 hours something you know. So ya pe here ke hende this my live audio. Then maybe later or tomorrow if the baby continue have a be 1 hour involved. You understand? So ri ma ya we here. Na ye dan yo here ke fien cause 3 hours mi na 3 hours abi 3 hours something.
Ni ya na wa okun e ma ni ya wa tie ni ya wa gugu ni ya wa record ya wa bufu mi an we e ya le ni ti wa de ni gbe de ni ana ya se gbe e me ye se gbe kian e be na le mi o ge ni ya wo uno de gbe na wa gwe me we Jesus e na ya bi me ba me ma le mi o pa ni me wo
we na gura start lao ile to wa gbi o ha na so bi ene we bi anything no be ya wo wa wo ma tege no pa ne lawo shila
wo we ni me pe si audio
we pe se o ma ni to to ko we la ti o we platform le wo no to ko we
wo ma ni we live video o ma ni ori ere o ma ni ye kwe le fi on this why o ma ni ye le type severi oni owe mo ka ona ma owe and they want tagle no e mata no o ma ni want it tomorrow o salobana do blessing ye ebi ya fe no mi o salobana do ri eni double o ri mi e we ni no wi ye o ma fe tinye o gona we gbe me re ki ona su gele siri ya me no ile ma na me ni ya no sunu me do bi me iwe so na wa e no kia iwo be pe ne adoge no eni ni egbe ni no ma ba mu da wo ma wu wa te ko me pe audio na ima gwajo so anya me wu we
no money at all share we no show
okay ni me call le no ma because le no ma already no ya te the story me ya
we no show it we understand a platform we want to taji lawo we don't have very lawo di ma ya lawo
o ma je yan ni be mo ko e ma be ona pa o aka be ni mi teme do dey ọba yìí lọ bọ náà release ọkọ wa tó tán lẹ́yìn ní wọ́n ta ìbátẹ o ọ release ẹ̀ everybody àpẹ yẹn àpẹ yẹn mọ́lẹ́mì ní o ìbí àgbọn nírí uge mọ́lẹ́mì ní o ibà yẹn na ta I no get anything wey I do I no get anything wey I do.
You no get anything wey you do for this one wey una dey so women mi nu. Wa mwe do hotel do gbotofo you not get anything when you do we purchase meg or wa jo be there the purchase meg na je ona yege ya le bai ona munu wa igwe kere wa we precious meg ole ayo ya le bai nu wa are gbo ma no wo ma se a
no be me play the thing
are gbo ma no wo ma se a
I'm online yes
ave te gbọ́n no wo ma se a ai gbọ́n no wo ma se
I'll call you back. Thank you. Who be this person? Jesus is Lord. Yeah, I'll block you.
ai gbọ́n no wo ma se
The one who catch you now, another thing. Who you be? Who you be? You strong past my girlfriend. You the name for where she dey. I'm a woo no man me where ya she dey. Hello.
Is it possible for you to have the phone so that you can play the audio?
Carry on. Thank you. Because we need changing my platform is so lame. Any evil act, if not me come talk my girlfriend matter, me will not beat me. All this one where I talk. I not talk in my judge matter you the great you the man. Me man we bugging here now. You like that we know the most secret in Melania. Or my best secret or tea, the matter is secret. Anyway, it's okay. But a secret of ye, be ti do mo yare. Ewo. Ile mure matter no road no ya he lay no. But if you want hear her, tell her to be herself.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
PJ, 3 people for line. Oh Jesus.
So
Hello.
my people,
Hello,
yeah, I want end this live broadcast now. Make I do some things for the video, then I will come back, come tell now, or come finish the this thing. If you don't have to play the voice record, then I go come back, move for everything finish. So as more message they come my table, I go dey bring am out raw. You understand? I go dey bring am out raw. Who like e listening? Who not still like? Make it forget. That is just me for you. Because they don't to do, Monica and Lolo don't to do. They don't to bring we beneath down. They don't to embarrass us. They don't to insult us. So now is their time to reap the evil that they did. Because they say the evil that men do lies with them. You understand? So please, guys, kindly go and subscribe to a God Sent Family TV on YouTube, and may the peace of the Lord be with you. Me and Sian, if I don't do what I want to do, if I come back, fine. If I don't still come back now, maybe tomorrow. God bless you all.